to make a quick video and just talk to you guys about a payment that I received last night at 2:25 a.m. in the morning. I want to show you guys some actual proof. This is my email account here. That's me, Kim. This came in at 2:25 a.m. an elite purchase of $500, guys. Imagine waking up, right, to a payment of $500 that you was not expecting. You know, you just wake up and you're already paid, right? So you made $500 before you even got out of bed this morning, guys. I want to give you another invite, let you know that we are still having the live event tonight at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to leave the information below, guys, but really think about changing your financial situation. Bring people with you. We're trying to make it where these live events, so we can create mass duplication, right? And all you have to do is just bring others to the event and let us do the heavy lifting for you, the presentation. And we're going to ask, hey, who is ready? You know, whoever, if you're ready, drop a 1 and get back to whoever brought you to the live event, to the meeting, guys. We really want to break the chain of poverty. We want to show people that there is so much money that you can make online, guys. Get that money, reinvest that money. Like I said, I'm looking to get some Airbnbs in 2020. There's so many ways, guys, that you can make more money. You know, I want to help at least 100 families make an extra $5,000 a month. And I truly believe in my heart of hearts that these live events is going to allow me to do that and allow you to do that if that is your desire. All you have to do is get people to the live event, right? We got a flyer. I'm going to leave the link below for you to go ahead and share with others. You know, you come yourself. And if you're already in the system or already a part of Newbies on Fire and you cannot come, send your prospects, right? Sending out to your list. Like I said, there is limited seating right now, but, you know, definitely get it out to your list. It's going to be an awesome time, guys. Just really, you know, breaking it down and really being honest with people. Like 2020 has to be a year of prosperity. Like life is too short to live paycheck to paycheck. I've been there, and trust me, it is not fun. It is major stress when you don't know how you are going to pay your bills. And that's what we want to break, guys. We want to, you know, help people get their dream home, their dream vacation, their dream car, just make more money, you know, be able to live life on your own terms and be more comfortable. You know, have that backup plan, right? Have that savings that you've always desired, guys. So I'm going to leave the information below. Come to the meeting, bring some prospects with you so they can take a look at it. I got people bringing people who haven't even started yet. They're just excited, like, I'm going to bring people with me. We just want to hear the presentation because it is life-changing, guys. It's life-changing to make that type of money in a week or, you know, in a month. It does make a difference, you know, and we want to spread this as big as possible. This is a worldwide opportunity. This is a serious wealth builder, guys. So anyway, make sure you come to the meeting and share, send it out to your teams, get people on, you know, who want to change their lives, who want to do something different for 2020, guys. And I will see you in the meeting starting promptly at 8:30, 8:30 to, I believe, 9:15. Might go a little longer. We will see. But anyway, we'll definitely see you there. Cannot wait to meet all of you. Definitely bring other people so they can hear the presentation, make a decision, and then get back with you to get started. All right, guys. Just wanted to show you payment proof. Like I said, $500 came in at 2:25 a.m. in the morning, and made money before I even got up. Right, and that's the goal, to help you guys achieve that. All right, and achieve your dreams. Take care. I'll see you soon.